Hello, well today I'm going to show you how to repair holes in the wall after move an outlet on the other side of a stub. This video shows you how I did that. Places, mudding it, sanding it, and I'm going to have to prime it and then paint it. And once I get that wall done, I plan to put a shelf right here. Now, the problem that I have is there's an outlet right there in the middle. And so I don't want to lose the use of that outlet, because when I put that bookshelf there, it's going to be permanent. Well, I'm going to attach it to the wall so it doesn't. But I've divided this project into several videos. I'm going to have to move this outlet on the other side of the stub, and I want it over here. Is it long enough to be able to go all the way over there without adding an extension? Since there is this space between where the outlet is and there's space here, I could probably swing the wire over, but I'm thinking that I might need to have my hole drilled a little higher so the wire could run at an angle down towards where I want the outlet, and that's what I'm going to attempt to do. This video shows you the process and how I move that out. We're moving it over there on the other side of the stub. Check out this video. Alright, now I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to just run it over here to my hole. I'm dropping in the hole, and you can see that it makes a line, and that gives me a pretty good idea. My line comes right here, and I want to see where it crosses. Well, I have a mark right here. So, right here, and I can see that it fits. I have enough, my thread actually went down into the hole a ways. See, I have enough thread, so that's going to work. So, I'm going to put my hole right somewhere in this place right here. There's a mark for my stud, and this is where my thread is crossing. So this is where I want to put my hole. Okay, I have a bore that I'm going to drill right through here. I'll drill the hole, and then I'll have to cut the power off before I disconnect the wires. Well, I got the one wire through. I tried to plan carefully so as not to make any unnecessary holes in the wall, but this project had a surprise in it for me, so I had to make one additional hole than I expected that I would have. I have extra wire right here, and I need to get this wire to be joined over here, which probably means I'm going to have to cut a hole here, and drill a hole this way to run wire from here to there, which means I'm going to have to put another junction box right there. I have several videos related to this project, so do check them out. I need something to screw that to. So I have some resistance. So I've cut two boards, and I'm just going to hold it behind here. I want it to be partly behind here and here so that I can screw this into it. So I just kind of hold it. Now I can put this on, and I've got some resistance, so I can put that in there. Now I'm going to put the screws near the top because I know there's a wire back there. Alright, that's good enough. I'll put some tape on that, and we'll mud it, and we'll patch it. So that'll work. It might look bad right now, but it'll look good when I'm done. Love these magnetic tips that holds the screw. Okay. The wire's back far enough so I don't see a problem here. I'm gonna have to put it against that stub. Down just slightly. It's very close to the bottom. I think I'll put it over here. And I've got my fingers in the wire, so the wire's not going to be in the way. Okay. Let's put that back in the position that it was before. Just do 2 screws, one in the middle. Oops. Kind of sunk it a little bit too much. Shouldn't have done that, but I could patch it. Alright, now we just need to do some mudding. This has a sticky back. There are different kinds of tape. This is like paper thin, so I like this one. You just peel off and it sticks. There we have a solid patch. Now we just have to mud it. We'll do that to the bottom one as well. When it's completely dry, the pink will turn white. And when it does, I will be able to go over it again. And then when it's dry, sand it smooth. And then I will want to paint it with a primer because the dryness of the drywall, this is, you know, a paint texture, but this is the drywall, and that will look like a dry spot in the paint. So you always have to prime it before you put the final coat on it. So I think I will, after I get the last hole mudded, I think I'll take a nap because I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. The wall is mudded, the holes have been repaired. All I need is to get a cover for that outlet on that box on the right. Wait for the mud to dry, mud some more, sand it, and I'll be ready to prime and paint. So I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe.